Struggling with a cramped bathroom and nowhere to put anything? You're not alone. From overflowing counters to towel chaos, small bathrooms can feel impossible to manage. But the right storage ideas can make even the tiniest spaces feel tidy and luxurious. Let's explore 12 clever, beautiful, and totally doable small bathroom storage solutions. Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started. Where do I even begin with small bathroom storage? Start by clearing surfaces. Get everything off the counter and out of the way. Then, assess the vertical space, walls, backs of doors, even ceiling height. You'd be amazed how much room you have when you go beyond the sink. Feeling inspired already? Tap like now. What's the best way to organize under the sink? Use stackable bins, sliding drawers, or tiered shelves to make the most of deep cabinets. Don't forget lazy Susans. They make finding things easier. Label everything and only store what you truly need there. Under sink chaos? Tap like if you agree. What's a stylish way to display daily items? Use a pretty tray on the counter or a tiered stand. Add matching containers for Q-tips, cotton pads, and lotion. When everyday items look intentional, they add to the decor instead of making the space feel messy. Function meets style? Hit like. What's a good over-the-toilet storage solution? Use ladder shelves, mounted cabinets, or a sleek rack that sits above the tank. This often forgotten zone is perfect for extra towels, TP, or baskets. Keep it narrow and neat to avoid crowding the space visually. Need that upper space? Give this a like. What about mirror cabinets? Are they worth it? Absolutely. A mirrored medicine cabinet adds secret storage without taking up floor space. Use it for everyday items, face wash, meds, toothbrushes, so your sink area stays clean. Bonus, it makes the room look bigger too. Love hidden storage? Tap like. How do I store towels in a small space? Roll towels and place them in a basket, hang them on hooks, or mount a towel rack vertically on the wall. You can even use wine racks for rolled towels. Just keep them within arm's reach of the shower or sink. Towel tips, like this idea. How do I store items on the back of the door? Hang multi-pocket organizers, towel bars, or slim hooks behind the bathroom door. You can store hair tools, skincare, or backup supplies without taking up shelf space. Use over-the-door racks for renter-friendly solutions. Smart door use? Give it a like. How do I keep the space feeling open, not packed? Stick to light colors, keep surfaces clean, and use storage that blends into the walls. Transparent bins, open shelves, and floating designs create space visually. Edit your items regularly. Less stuff, more calm. Want more space? Tap like before you go. Can I use wall space more effectively? Yes, walls are your best friend in small bathrooms. Mount open shelves for items you use daily, or add floating shelves to display jars, rolled towels, or greenery. Even one shelf can declutter a counter instantly. Loving wall storage? like this tip. Can I hang things on the shower wall? Yes, use corner caddies, suction cup shelves, or hanging racks. They hold your shampoo and soaps without crowding the tub ledge. Keep the look clean by storing only the essentials and choosing rust-proof materials. Shower clutter? Like this solution. Can furniture work in a small bathroom? Yes. Try a slim rolling cart, small bench with baskets underneath, or even a bar cart style shelf. Just ensure there's enough clearance to walk comfortably. Mobile pieces are great for multi-purpose rooms. Tiny room, big ideas? Like this tip. Are baskets and bins actually helpful? Definitely. Baskets corral loose items like toiletries and washcloths and look good doing it. Use labeled bins inside cabinets, on shelves, or even on the floor. Choose ones that match your decor for a tidy, cohesive feel. Basket believer? Like to agree. A small bathroom doesn't have to mean small function. With the right storage tricks, vertical shelves, baskets, back-of-door hacks, you can turn your tiny bathroom into an organized, beautiful space. Remember, it's not about having less, it's about making space work smarter. Keep it light, keep it simple, and let your bathroom breathe.